tell me your name and how to spell it?
Yeah, my name's Ryan, Ryan, Evans, Evans.
Awesome. And can you tell me about your project?
Yeah, so basically our project here was part of the Work Environmental Design Contest. We had task number 2. Basically what that is we were integrating hydrogen technologies into smart grid distribution systems. The way we decided to tackle this is we were going to integrate hydrogen fuel cells as a backup source to already existing renewable energy. In this case, we chose solar because we live in Las Cruces, it's sunny all the time. Um, Basically, what we wanted to do is we see this little duck curve down here. It's a cool little picture, but it is a real thing. It's basically just a graph that it depicts the difference between peak solar generation and peak solar demand. You're gonna have your peak demand in the middle of the day when no one's on the grid, and then as soon as people get home, they all flip on their ACs. They pretty much shoot that demand up. Sun setting, you don't get that much solar generation. Basically, we want to turn hydrogen power to basically fill that gap. That way we can reduce any natural gas or coal um, energy production that's in the system. We can give a little rundown of how we did this. We have a 2 parallel paths. We have one path that goes directly into the our distribution feeder here. It's just a digital DC load. On a big scale, it is a scaled down version of a distribution feeder. And we have another path that goes through our fuel cell system. Our fuel cell system did have a separate pressure system that we couldn't bring in here because it was a little bit too big. And then we did have some big solar panels that we didn't bring in at the same time. We did end up finding that we had about a 12% increase on our solar generation at any given time. That means that if you had a complete power outage and you just needed some power, you could kick on these fuel cells. They'd be able to give you about 12% of what the solar plant did. You know, that's not a whole neighborhood, but that is a hospital you can keep online, completely renewable. So, yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about the awards that you guys won?
Yeah. So from that competition at the environmental design competition, we took first place in our category, which is our task number 2. We also took home the New Mexico Space Grant Best Overall Outstanding Team Award. So kind of like the whole thing, but
Awesome.
yeah.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
No, that's about it. So it's kind of like the big rundown of it. Yeah.